Thursday morning, December 8th. This damn noise. So, my car makes this strange beeping tone, chime sound. No lights are accompanying it. For more information, I have 2 other short videos that I posted. Gonna try to get it to happen again. It's intermittent. It seems to happen when I accelerate from a stop or when I'm turning at low speeds. It's very strange. See if I can get it to happen again. It happened this morning after I got off the highway, maybe about 25 minutes into my drive. 5 minutes or so after the highway. Here we go. See if we can get it. There it is! Wow, what is that?